I started doing video about 2.5 years ago, but it was not at all consistent. It was like sporadic. It was like, oh, let's do this. Oh, let's do a video of that. And then a year ago, I found y'all, and now I'm consistent because now at least one video a week, most of the time 2. Since I started being consistent, what I've gotten is 3 new builders. The builders found out that I do some extra marketing for their listings, their communities. I've gotten 11 listings and buyers over this last year, or in the last 12 months. The builders was huge for me. I mean, because most of them have 20 listings a year from a video that I was like, really? And he says, yeah, but not everybody's doing it. And I use the recipes. I'm a firm believer of the recipes. I don't want to do any research at all. I just want it handed to me. Go do this video, say this, and be done. It was the best investment I did. Last year, it was game changer for me. I was very excited. I won't give up.